Alkarim, listen, at $20 million, I mean, you can be taking out, that's a healthy Series B. Is Espresso positioned to help founders even avoid going to the equity markets? Could you effectively be a Series B, or do you look for a combination of both debt and equity when you guys invest?
Yeah, so I think my view is if you used so there are two ways people use debt, right? One is they're principally equity financing, and then a bunch of things go wrong. The equity markets are not there, or their investors are not there, and they need a runway extension while they fix their problems, and so venture debt becomes an option. And we certainly do a lot of that work today. But we also say to entrepreneurs, think about debt strategically. If you imagined you raised one third debt and two-thirds equity on every round, then you would probably, by the time you get to your D round, own 25% more equity in your business. And we think that is transformative from your net worth perspective.